Hey everybody, Bruce here from Andis. I'm going to show you, my daughter's volunteered or voluntold that she was going to let me cut just some dead ends off her long hair using a clipper. Caveat, I'm not a barber, I'm just a parent trying to keep my kids' hair looking all right during this time. So I'm going to take my clipper, make sure that your blade is closed, make sure the hair is clean, make sure the hair is dry. We've straightened it so that it's laying as flat and natural here as possible. And then her hair is pretty straight. If you had somebody with really curly hair, I believe that you want to keep those curls natural as opposed to like really wetting the hair, drying it, and cutting it when it's wet, because then when it dries, it's going to dry very unevenly. So, but her hair should not be too bad because it is pretty straight. So here we go. I'm going to start at the middle and then work out to the sides. And I'm just going to make a nice line. And I've got the cape on backwards, because if it was the regular way, I'd be cutting into her shirt. I'm just using that comb to kind of, I'm outside and the wind is blowing around, so just using that comb to kind of some hair on this. So there you go, you get the idea. I'm probably gonna have to polish this up inside because the wind is blowing and I don't want to get it uneven, but you get the idea.